In this video, we'll learn about coordinates. You'll have come across number lines before, and you'd have seen perhaps the horizontal number line and the vertical number line. This is a combination of both. When you work on a number line, you can only specify the position within the number line. So let's say -10, 5, 6, and so on. And same thing if you are working on a horizontal number line. But what if an item is located right here, for example? How can you describe the position? This is where these four quadrants come in. As you can see, the numbers go from positive into negative and positive into negative as well. So if I am to describe the position of a point, which is right here, I'm going to look first at the position that it has on the x-axis. This is the x-axis, and that is 7. So open brackets, put the 7 in, comma, and then look at the position on the y-axis, and that is 8. Let's look at another one. This one here. X is 4, the x coordinate, and the y coordinate for the point is -5. A point here, looking at the x-axis, that is -11, and in terms of the y-axis, that is -5. Let's pick a point right here. X, that is -6, and y, that is 1. So we start with the x coordinate. Some people prefer to refer to this like getting into the house, which is horizontally, and then you either go up or down the stairs. The center of the plane is this point here, 0, 0. So the x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate is 0 as well. What if we have a point right here on the axis? Looking at the x-axis, that is 10, and the y-axis is at 0. So we're not going up or down. Same thing if we have a point here. Looking at the x-axis, that falls on 0, and it goes up to 4. So 0, 4.